Hi there, this is Maths with Angela. We're going to do multiplying, but we're going to do multiplication with decimals. So here you see I've got 45.6 times 7.8. So this is the method I use. I take out the decimal, I multiply the numbers as if they were whole numbers, and then I put back the decimals at the end. So I'm going to show you using this box here. Another example of doing Napier's bones, which is another style of multiplication method. So first of all, I need to take out the decimals. So I'm going to have here, it's doing great, 456 times 78. Okay. So I'm going to use this method here. So I'm going to show you again how to break this box so that you can do Napier's bones. So from the top right corner to the bottom left corner and out, top right, bottom left and out. Same with this box, top right to bottom and then it joins up, top right to bottom and out, top right and bottom join up, top right and bottom and out. So this divides our answer into tens and units. Okay, so here we've got 6 times 7, which is going to go in this box here, which is 42. Change size. So I'll put 42 there, 4 and 2 units. 6 times 8, which is, anybody? Yep, 48. So that's only, add on another 6. Then we've got 5 times 7, which is 35. And then below it, we've got 5 times 8, which is one more, which is 40. Okay. And then this box here, 4 times 7 is 28. And then 4 times 8, which is, well, 2 8s are 16. What do you get? 32. Well done. Okay, so let me show you again how you find these. You see these lines, green lines, they hold in the numbers and they're the ones you're going to add. So this one here is on its own, so 8 units. Then we've got the 2, the 4 and the 0, which gives us 6. Then we've got 4 add 5 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Put down the 5, carry the 1, and then we've got 3 add 8, which is 11 plus 3, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 again. Put down the 5, carry the 1, and then the 1 add the 2 is 3. So our answer to this is 3, 5, 5, 6, 8. You just read it round, like this. Now, put back the decimals. So, how many numbers did we have that were decimals? We have 1 there and 1 there. So that means put back 2 decimals from the unit. So here's our units. Imagine our decimal point is here. We're going to move it back 2 places. So it's going to become 355.68. So you see these 2 decimals correspond with 2 decimals from both of the numbers. Hopefully that's helpful. Try your own. Use your calculator to check your answers. Bye.